This is Peter Stanley. Welcome to my channel. I started my seeds for 2018, so it's Sunday, January 21st. And I'll show you what I've got going. Let me just point that out of the way. So in the bounty, I have 7-pot peach, Korean gochu, white Thai, Banda Majak red, caramel 7-pot, boot white, debut strain, Chiltepin yellow, blue Christmas, and fish pepper. And in the sprout, I'm using the seed starting deck on here. Got a bunch. Chocolate Ghost Jammy, Reaper cross with Moruga F4, Bid Jalokia cross with Sugar Rush Peach, Plain Bid Jalokia, Original Scorpion, Chocolate Unreaper, Chinese Red Pepper cross with Todd Dragon, F1, Blue Christmas cross with Stravos F1, my Jay's Red Ghost Scorpion cross with Unknown F3 Yellow Pheno, Papo's Cheeto cross with Bubblegum F3, Chocolate Bootla, the Dave Miner strain from the Pod's Batman scent, Daddle, Lithium Oxide Scotch Bonnet, White Ghost, the herb strain from Susan Garza, Shishi Toe, and over in the Classic 7, I've got started a mix of herbs and peppers. On one side I've got lemon basil, calypso cilantro, lemon balm, and the other side Scotch bonnet yellow, Gorpion, which is a ghost scorpion cross. C. chaconense is a wild capsicum species, and bird's eye pepper. And I have a couple at work, and I may start a few more, but that's the main grow. And I've got some in the basement too. I'll show you those. I also started a little cracky of lettuce leaf basil. That'd be cool. One thing I learned after talking with Matt Garver, like I was using the 1.5 inch drill bits for the Aerogardens pods, but a 1 1/4 inch fits better. And if you just set it in, it kind of sets up a little, but it's a lot less likely to rock out. But if you push hard enough, you can actually kind of wedge it down in there too to get a real snug fit. Just want to share that. Let's go ahead and take a look at the basement peppers, and I'll show you those. So I've got a mix of stuff down here. It's sort of a mess, but let me switch these off for a sec. We have really good lighting down here, but so I've got a 300 watt Kingbo LED up here. This is an old UFO GNR light I'm using, and so these are kind of an experiment, and I think I've got the newts a little too strong. Maybe the light height not ideal, but I've been adjusting it since I got my par meter. But basically, I took 4 peppers that I didn't grow last year. I didn't plant out; they were in the little nursery containers. So I put them in, I pruned them back really well, and I've got them each with a different type of nutrient and a like a little wick system. So this one has Dynagrow 795. This one's got Master Blend. This one has Nectar for the Gods, and this is Nutrifield. So it's really cold in the basement too, so that's kind of affecting things a little. You know, it stays around 55 degrees, give or take. But so it looks like overall it's kind of a tie between the Dynagrow and the Master Blend. Maybe a slight edge on the Master Blend. I'm starting to get some fruiting on here too. Oh, some flowering on here, not fruiting yet. And this is a MOA Scotch bonnet rooted from a cutting. It's in a little wick system, and this is a cross. It's a chocolate ricotta cross. Well, it was like an Ecuadorian red cross with something else, so the pods were chocolate. But Susan Garza sent me the pod for this. That's doing really well. And I also have a tangerine color from her as well. It's a same kind of cross probably, but just a different pheno. So I'm going to grow these out and see how they look. We got a few house plants over here. This is a berry amarillo, and I've got some, I think it's a nutrient, actually I think this is just my guess, but I think the newts were a little too strong. And sometimes with too much nitrogen, you'll get yellowing on your new leaves and some curling. So I backed the newts down a little bit. It's in a little wick system. And I've been playing with the light height too. So I think since I've done that, some of these that were yellow are greening out. So I think I'll be able to correct this. I'm not really freaking out, but it's not ideal. You know, they shouldn't look like this, but I think adjusting the nutrients is helping. So that so that's that, and I'll probably start a few more peppers. I've got some plans for different systems I want to test out too. But that's what I've got going right now, and I've got the majority of my 2018 crop started. So I'll post updates as it goes along throughout the year. Thank you very much for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.